Coming. Here I am, Deepa S. Panikar, 102 PNG Apartments, Medangiri. Mukum is calling. Mukum came. So I have to. Here. This is PNG Apartments, Medangiri. Anywhere else.
Is Radha you went out morning?
Why?
Don't lie.
Why
Don't say
you
breakfast
lie? I did not went out. Oh God.
You opened
Who said? Oh, my phone. Mukum tie this naya. Why? Who said I went out?
You opened first.
I did not go. Upon God. Only this I will do. I won't go. I did not go. Why should I go?
You opened first.
No. I just without anything I did once. That's all. Nothing. I did not go out. Upon God. Huh?
You did open this door also?
That's what I said. I just opened once and I did like this one when.
बोला नहीं तूने?
Nothing bola. Upon God. हाँ, you देखो.
You can't lie when you have had a drink because.
No, I upon God I did not. I did not say. No, I will say 1 or 2. That's all I will say. 1 or 2. That's all. I did not do Mukum. Why you are?
Chicken fresh fish I didn't buy.
हाँ. हाँ. Why this much banana bottle?
1 dozen है यार 12 है.
12.
हाँ. बना ले चाय.
हाँ. हाँ मुकुब.